If you want to divide your design into two equal sections for comparisons, layouts, or creative designs, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to split a page in half using Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open Canva and log into your account. Create a new design or open an existing one where you want to split the page. Once your canvas is ready, go to the Elements section on the left panel. Now, the easiest way to split a page is by using grids. In the search bar, type Grid and select a two-column grid. Drag it onto your canvas, and Canva will automatically divide your page into two equal halves. This is the fastest and most accurate method, especially for beginners. If you want more control, you can use shapes instead. Go to Elements, select a square or rectangle shape, and place it on one side of the page. Resize it to cover exactly half of the canvas. Then duplicate it and move the second shape to the other half. You can change the colors of each side to create a clean split design. Another useful method is using lines. Add a vertical line from the Elements section and place it in the center of the page. This visually splits the page into two parts. You can adjust the thickness and color of the line depending on your design style. For better accuracy, turn on Canva's rulers and guides. Drag a guide to the center of the page so you can align everything perfectly. This helps ensure both halves are equal. Once your page is split, you can add different content on each side, such as text, images, or designs. This is great for before and after comparisons, presentations, or creative layouts. So, in simple words, splitting a page in Canva is easy. Use a grid, shapes, or a center line to divide your design into two equal parts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. See you in the next video.